Next, embryological evidence. We are seeing the evidences of evolution. Next is embryological evidence. To understand this evidence, when you are listening to my video, you can refer textbook page number 7. They have given you nice diagram picture so that you can understand it better. It's on page number 7 of your textbook. So embryological evidence means, if you all remember, you know the developmental stages. First is fertilization. After fertilization, the zygote is formed and the embryo and the young one. So the embryos, if we see of certain animals, they appear same in their structure initially. Later on, when they develop, they show some different structures. This is what I have written here. I will read it again. Comparative study of embryological development of vertebrates was done. Means what? Vertebrate animals, few animals were taken into consideration, vertebrates, and their embryos were studied. Structure and development of embryo was studied in initial stage, means in the beginning when the embryo was formed. That time when the embryos were observed, all different embryos of different animals, they appeared almost same, and later on when they developed, the similarity, the common characteristics started decreasing. That means later on they showed some different structure. So what we understand from this, similarities in initial stages indicate that these animals have common ancestors. The examples of vertebrates are fish, human being, salamander, tortoise, chicken, cow, rabbit. These animals embryos were studied, and so because of the similarity in the embryos, it can be said that these animals, they all are vertebrates and they all have developed from some common ancestor. Okay, see the after listening to the explanation, see the diagram for this embryological evidences. So here we finish with the evidences topic. Next subtopic is Darwin's theory of natural selection. Now this is a theory, that means it is work of some scientist. The name of the scientist is Charles Robert Darwin. He actually wanted to prove that human beings have developed, or all living organism, plants and animals, they have developed on the earth through some developmental stages from some ancestors. That means directly no living organism had come into existence, but we all have developed from already living organisms, from some undeveloped organism. So for that he proposed this theory.